What would you do? If people said you could never succeed, would you stop trying or keep going? This is the story of Alex, a boy who proved that hard work can break any barrier. Alex lived in a small village where life was very hard. His family was poor, and they could barely afford food. Going to school was difficult, but Alex had a big dream. He wanted to become an engineer and make life better for everyone in his village. Every day, Alex walked many miles to a small school. His house had no electricity, so he studied under the light of a street lamp. His friends laughed at him, saying, "You'll never become an engineer." But Alex didn't listen. He told himself, "If I don't try, I will never succeed." Then one day Alex found out about a scholarship exam. It was his only chance to go to a better school. Even though he didn't have the right books or a tutor, Alex worked hard day and night. On the exam day, he went with hope in his heart and gave it his best. A few weeks later, Alex got the result. He passed. His dream started to come true. Years later, Alex became an engineer. He returned to his village and built schools and brought electricity. He inspired everyone to believe that anything is possible. But Alex's story shows us that no matter how hard life is, you can succeed if you don't give up. So believe in yourself, work hard, and break your own barriers. Never give up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share.